everyone and welcome back. Today I want to share with you the differences between the different Mary Kay eyeliners. This is something that I got questions over and over again. Which one is the easiest to apply? Which one is the darkest? Which one is the one you recommend? Which one is your favorite? Well, I'm going to do a comparison between all the Mary Kay eyeliners, and hopefully by the end of the video you can decide for yourself which one is going to be the right formula for you. The first eyeliner is the gel eyeliner, and I'm going to put pictures on the screen so you can have a better idea in case that you want exactly the name. I also will have the names in the description box down below. Now this black gel eyeliner, it's very dark. It is very precise. In my case, it's very waterproof. It really doesn't move, and I love how it looks. Every single time I use it, I love how it emphasizes the eyeshadows, the contrast that it creates with the eyeshadows because of how dark it is. You can do it very thin or you can do it very thick. It kind of depends on what you like, but it's just one of those things that you are like, okay, this is it. This is the darkest eyeliner that I've ever had, or at least in my experience. However, it does take some time to get used to it. You either have to find the perfect brush that it will work for you, or if you can use the one that they give you with the eyeliner, that'd be great. But in my opinion, the one eyeliner brush that works for me is from Sephora collection. I'll have it listed in the description box down below, but I will do a demo and share with you why I think it's so easy. Basically, you just dip this eyeliner that is magical in the gel eyeliner by Mary Kay. You go side by side and you get the perfect line every single time. Don't ask me how it works, but I think it's the shape that really works for me, and I think you should know about it. So again, I'll have that brush in the description box down below, but I'll do a review pretty soon. If you want something that is very easy to use every single day and you really don't need that much experience, you can use the pencil liner, the retractable pencil eyeliner by Mary Kay, and it's just one of those formulas that it's kind of controversial because some people love it, some people hate it, but I'm just going to the point that this is the easier formula to apply every single day. Now for me, if I have to use it, I use it in my waterline. And yes, I do experience a lot of dryness in this product, so a lot of people love it and say that they don't experience that. I'm not arguing that. I'm just saying that this is the easiest eyeliner that you can use. Finally, for eyeliner, you have the new liquid eyeliner. I mean, newer in their collection, but it's been out for a while. It's the pencil liner. It really is one of the easiest way that you can apply, because basically instead of going like this into the top lash line, you just go like this and it will create the perfect line every single time. I say if you don't know how to use liquid eyeliner, this is the perfect one to start with. It's really, you don't really you don't really have to learn a lot on how to use it. Maybe if you're not used to any kind of eyeliner, it will take you a couple days, but it's very, very easy. But it's not as dark as the gel eyeliner. The pencil liner, the other one that I talked before, it's not as dark as the gel eyeliner. So those are the things that you have to keep in mind. Do you want something that is extremely black, that is waterproof, and it doesn't matter if it will take you a bit to learn, then you'll go with the Mary Kay gel eyeliner. If you don't want something that dark, because maybe you're a blonde, or maybe you want black but not the darkest, the pencil eyeliner is a little bit lighter and easier to apply. And finally, the liquid eyeliner is, if you're interested at all in liquid eyeliner, I feel like it's the best formula to start using eyeliner with, and that you'll be happy with the results. However, again, it's not the darkest. So if you're looking for the darkest of blacks, it's not going to be this one. So anyways, finally, I wanted to add a bonus, because this is not an eyeliner, but you can also use the eyeshadows or Mary Kay eyeshadows as eyeliners, and those is just things that you can do with every single line. So if you want to use them, you can get them wet, or even make a little paste with your eye primer and use it as a liquid eyeliner with a very small brush, or you can use it just as an eyeshadow and kind of blend it and create a smoky look that it's not as defined as an eyeliner, but it surely creates that effect. So For me, it's an extra option, and hopefully now you know which one is the darkest, which one is easier, the easiest, the hardest, but worth it. And hopefully it will give you a better idea to decide which one is the best one for you. So if you want to check out a review on the gel eyeliner or the liquid eyeliner or the eyeshadows, I have them in my channel already, so I'll have them in the description box down below or on the top of the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have anything that you'd like to add to this or your experience with any of these products, I would love to read them in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.